Tile and Grout Cleaning in Hounslow by Fabritec Tile Cleaning in New Malden. Are you tired of spending hours on your hands and knees trying to scrub away stubborn stains from your tile floors? Are your grout lines impossible to clean? Take the hassle out of tile and grout cleaning with our professional services in Hounslow. Say goodbye to DIY cleaning methods and hello to a pristine home that you can be proud of. Our experienced professionals uses professional scrubbing equipment to deliver exceptional results every time. Our secret weapon, pressurized hot water rinsing, searches deep into the pores of your tiles and grout, lifting away even the toughest soil. Just imagine walking into your home and being greeted by floors that look and feel brand new. Our services can make this a reality. Contact us today on 01372664337 or visit our website tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk to schedule your free quote. Don't let dirty floors diminish the beauty of your home. Trust our team to deliver exceptional results and make your space shine like never before.